Now, we all know how we do it on FunTv. Right here, this is the FunTv. Most of us are asking questions on how do I get started? How do I get started? Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started because there's a little update on their platform. Now, before we proceed, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, when I come down to withdraw right here, you can actually see that we only have the withdrawal in the dollar form. We have $5, $15, $50, and $100. Now, the update now is that you can go ahead to withdraw using your Naira Bank account. Now, since I'm not having this right here, what I'm going to do is to update this particular app on my app store. And we are going to come back to confirm if the updates has reflected on my account. So I'm going over to my Play Store right here, and I'm going to search for FunTv. I think from here I should be able to update my app. Okay, so this is FunTv. So you can see it's requesting for an update. So what I'm going to do now is to click on update right here. So it's actually updating. So after this update, there should be an option for me to withdraw via my bank app or bank transfer. So right here, it's actually installing. So once it's done installing, we are going over to this app to see the new update on this FunTv. Then from there, we can choose whether to withdraw using our dollar or our Naira account. So it's actually installing. Just have to hold on. So it is done installing. So what we are going to do is to open this right here. Mostly an ad displays on this particular platform, so just have to wait and close that. So let's quickly go over to the withdrawal option so I can show you how you can withdraw. Most of us know how this platform works. So this is an ad right here. So we are going to wait and we are going to close this ad. So right now, let me go over to the withdrawal option right here. So once I click on that, you can see that we have the Naira and we have the dollar. So you can see we can withdraw 6,000, we can withdraw 20,000 depending on the amount of coin you have. So let me say I want to go ahead to withdraw. So you can see that I can go ahead to withdraw using this method, but using this method, you need to have a PayPal account. You need to have a PayPal account. Now, this option is better for those that don't have a PayPal account. So if you are using this dollar withdrawal, you need to have a dollar account. Now, if you want to go ahead withdrawing through your Naira account, you need to have a minimum of this particular coin right here. So let me say I want to go ahead to withdraw using Naira. So you click on any of which you want to use to place withdraw right here. Then you click on your bank transfer and click on OK. But right now, I want to go ahead to withdraw using my PayPal account. So what I'm going to do is to come down to $15. But before that, you can see that I have over $16.35 right here. So I'm going ahead to click on $15 right here, and I'm going to select the withdrawal method, which is PayPal. Click on OK right here. So once I click on withdraw now, it's going to bring me over to this interface where I need to put in my PayPal address. So I'm going to put in my PayPal address right here and click on send. So I'm going to be receiving this funds straight to my PayPal account. So what I'm going to do right now is to come down right here, and I'm going to paste my PayPal address, my PayPal account, and I'm going to click on send right here. As you can see, withdraw to PayPal. Okay, so you can see that yourself. So I'm going to click on confirm right here. So you can see this is the amount of receiving. Withdrawal was successful. It is expected to be distributed within 1 to 7 working days. Please wait patiently. So I'm going to click on OK. So you can see that once you go ahead doing anything on this platform, an ad is going to display. Now that is another revenue they use in generating their own funds. Now for some of you that are new to this platform and you don't know how it works, I've explained the withdrawal aspect for you, that they updated it to be for the Naira and also for the dollar, which you can go ahead to place withdraw. I just explained that, so you can go ahead to read more about it. Now for some of us that want to know how this platform works and how you can leverage on it, it is very simple. Now you can see we have the home button right here. These are movies. You can go ahead to invite individuals to this platform. Now this platform happens to be working for two options. Some people come into this platform to watch Korean movies and enjoy themselves for that. You can also come to watch movies and get rewarded for that. So there are two ways you can benefit from this platform. It is called the FunTv. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. Use the link to download it and register for an account. Now you can use it as a platform where you can come in every day and watch movies. Now when you come right here, you can see that we have rewards. Now there are so many things you can do to get rewards for yourself. You can do the daily check-in and get some reward for yourself, and you can also come right here where you can find the check-in and invite friends. So you can use these options right here to get some rewards for yourself. Now you can see daily tasks right here, watch ads to get this amount of coin. Now when you are going further to watch these ads, you can see 0/5. You can go ahead to watch. Once you watch one, it will be tagged 1/5. Once you watch two, it will be tagged 2/5, and so on till you get to 5/5. You can see lucky draw right here. You can see try this game. You can see invite friends. So there are so many things you can do right on this platform to accumulate more points for yourself. Now when you come down under newbie tags, these are for the newbie. You can come right here and enable notification and you claim that. I can go ahead to come right here and click on claim right here. So once you click on claim on anything, you are going to be getting an ad displayed for you. Now the reason why an ad is displayed is because these are the way this particular platform is generating funds for themselves. Okay, so let's leave this part and go over to another part where I can explain some features which you also need to understand how this platform works. But the main thing about this platform is that it's a platform where you come in and watch movies. That is, you can come to watch movies for fun's sake. You can come to watch movies and you get some reward for yourself. Now under my profile right here, you can see that I have been able to accumulate some coin which I just placed withdrawal on, and now you can see my total amount of coin. So right here you can always watch movies. So these are my history of movies that I have watched, and you can come under favorite to favorite some movies so you can always watch. Now you might be watching some movies and you are not accumulating some points or coin for yourself. Now this is how to know if you are accumulating some coin for yourself. When you go over to the home, these are series of movies right here. Okay, so these are series of movies right here. So when you come over to rewards, I advise you come over to rewards to accumulate your point. So once I click on check in now, an ad is going to display and I'm going to get the coin for that, but I'm not going to be doing that right now. Now let me show you what you need to do. These are the daily tasks which you need to focus on. Now once you click on daily tasks right here, once you click on watch ads to get coin, an ad will keep on displaying for you. Let me show you for an example. Okay, so once we click on go right here, once you click on go, it's going to be loading. I'm going to be showing the coin parts where you need to focus on, because you need to be accumulating some coin for yourself, because this is an ad. Okay, so once you go back to your account, you are going to be seeing that this is going to be reading. You can see that congratulations, you just earned 650 coin. Now you can go ahead to click on OK and go ahead to take another ad right here. You can see 1/5. So once you watch another one, it's going to be 2/5. But before that, you need to wait for these seconds to count down before you can watch the second one. Now in watching movies, you can see right here, these are episode. Watch episode to get rewards. So this is where your coin is going to be coming in. So let's go over to coin. Let's go over to this coin and click on go. I'll be showing you where your coin is accumulating for yourself. So right here, you can see this coin right here. So once this ad loads up, or this movie, you are going to be seeing this coin right here. So you can see that for yourself. So once you come right here, you can just click on claim right here. So you just have to claim that particular button. You can claim at any point. You can keep on watching for a durational period of time. It depends on you. So if you're tired of watching, just go ahead to click that button claim and you'll be claiming. So once I click on check in now, I'm going to be checking in for today and I'm going to be accumulating some coins for myself. So there are so many ways you can accumulate enough coin right on this platform. And once you're done, the thing you just need to do is just come over to the withdrawal option where you can go ahead to place withdrawal on your account. So once you come over to your profile, come over to withdraw and you can see the way I placed my withdrawal. So that is the process you are going to be using to place your withdrawal as well. Okay, so remember that this is actually a platform which I've tested and is working for me. So as of the time making this video, I am actually withdrawing from it. So you can go ahead to take chances of leveraging this platform to also get reward for yourself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value and understood all what I said. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Always do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link down there in the video description. Okay, see you on my next video and keep winning.